Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? It's your boy Ricky the Plumber in Tampa, Florida. And I got a real treat for you guys today. We're answering the question, how much does a water heater replacement cost in Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater, etc., Hillsborough, Pinellas, Pasco, Greater Tampa Bay area, West Central Florida? How much does a water heater cost? And the answer is, it depends. But there's more to it than that. I wrote a beautiful article on my website about how much it costs, the factors that go into it, ways you can save some money. I wrote this article, not ChatGPT, for all of you haters out there. And instead of boring you with all the details, if you want to read the article, I think it's great. You should read it. But if you just want the information, how much is it going to cost? I've got a nice, beautiful table on the website with sample price ranges for most of the scenarios that you're going to run across when it comes to water heaters. Tankless, gas, electric, doesn't matter. Is it in an attic? Is it in a garage? I built this beautiful table. And a final quick warning is if you see a plumbing company advertising a water heater replacement for $8.99, well, I get advertised all the time for health, wealth, happiness, and good looks. And I don't buy that stuff because I know it's a scam, or at the very least a bait and switch. And so my question to you is, why would those plumbing companies, what they like to do is they'll say, oh, it's $8.99 for the water heater, but oh, the code upgrades are, another $900. No, they're not. Dude, just be honest and say it's an $1,800 water heater. Right? Like, I can't stand dishonesty. I want full transparency, and that's why I made this webpage for you guys. Everything is super transparent. So click the link in the description below to get all of your water heater pricing questions answered. And if for some reason there's something you feel like I missed, leave me a comment down below. I'll update the page. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Peace.